Welcome to a video from thedislifestyle.com. In this video I'm going to show you how you can get alerts when one of your Amazon devices detects beeping or detects sound. You can use this if it detects dog barks, baby crying, water sounds. Beeping is what I'm going to use because it could be that you've got one of these in your kitchen and it hears the oven going off, the oven timer, or your bread machine going off, or an alert, something like that. You can get that alert straight to your phone, straight to your smartwatch. You can get audio announcements. You can get it to turn off as plug, something like that. So all you need is one of these, any of the Amazon Alexa devices. You need the app set up on your phone so that you can configure it, and then, like I said, you can have all these alerts. You can get it to turn off a smart plug. Say it detects an alert, turns off the smart plug, turns on a smart plug, lets you know whatever you want it to do. So I'm going to show you, I'll switch over to the other screen and I'll show you how you can do it. So I'm going to be doing this from my Surface Duo, but it works on any Android screen. In fact, the tool I'm using here to capture the screen is the Microsoft Your Phone app, and you can see I've got an alert there to say there was beeping detected in the kitchen. So what you've got to do on your phone, go to the Amazon Alexa app and you go to routines. I've got loads of routines, but I'm going to create a new one, and call it test beeping. So that's the name of the routine, and it's and the key to it is this bit, when this happens. So these are all the things you can normally do. So when you get your voice or something in your smart home, this is the new one, the sound detection. So this is the one you want, and here you can see the options. So it's not only beeping, I've got set up, but you could have snoring or water sounds, dog barking, but we'll go with beeping. And you can choose which one. So in the case of the example I used, it was a kitchen one, but I could use any of the dots, any of my Alexas. You can choose your range, the time zone when it does it, so you don't get alerts during the night, or you do get alerts during the night and not during the day, that kind of thing. And you can choose what action it does. So I did notification, so I'm going to choose messaging and notification. You could do an announcement, so you could send an announcement to one of your other Alexas to say beeping detected in the kitchen, so you can have that in the living room. I chose notification, so you can choose whenever you want it to say, and so that comes up on my phone. And because I've got a smartwatch, that notification comes through on the smartwatch as well, so I get those notifications instantly, and I can save that. But you can get it to do other things. So you could get it to turn off a smart plug. So you could get it to say turn off the oven smart plug, or turn off your kettle smart plug, or turn on a smart plug. You can do whatever you want with it. So if it detects the beeping, you can then get it to shut things down or turn things on. So you've got all that choice. You can also get it to do other things. You can do it to customize actions. Like I said, you can get it to wait 5 minutes and then shut the plug down or something like that. You can do all that. It's up to you what you do with it. But the audio input is the beeping on this that's going to trigger one of these events, and you get to choose on that. And you can have multiple. So not only can you get a notification, you can get it to then do something else as well. So you've got all these kind of choices, and I can save that, and that's done. So that is a typical notification you would get. You can see there, that's the notification I've got, and I can dismiss that. And that's a great way of being notified when something's beeping. So that's a quick video on how to set that up. Thanks for watching this video. You can find out more on thedislifestyle.com.